Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I taught you about the website from where you can learn a particular coding skills. So guys, this is the third video. In this video, I will teach you about the most exciting skill which is called game development. So guys, in this video, I will teach you about three best websites where you can learn game development. But first of all, we will go to Fiverr and let's see that is there is a demand of this skill or not. So I go to fiverr.com. In case if you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms where you can sell your services online and people pay for it. So here I search game and you can see Roblox game, video game, music, game development. So I click on game development. So as you can see, there is a very low competition, only 7,244 services available. There is no competition for such a big niche. So you can go for it. You can must go for it. So first of all, we will go to this ABR, this freelancer. I will develop 2D, 3D game for Android, iOS, PC in Unity game development. So let's go for it. I opened his gig and he is Fiverr choice top rated and five orders in queue and 236 five-star reviews. That's good. After that, he's there is his portfolio and let's see his charges. So in basic package, he charged $60 and in this silver remote bugs in Unity game development, silver remove bugs in Unity game development projects. In $60, he removed bugs in game development project. After that, $550 and gold. Create a Unity game single player with two levels, GUI, one environment map, and basic mechanics. And in premium, he charged $1,200 and develop a Unity game for you in Unity with 10 levels. Add extra multiplayer adds extra $1,000. Means this skill is huge potential. So about his gig, you can read his gig description and make your gig according to it. So guys, I also got interest in this skill, and in future I will also learn game development. And let's see, uh, this freelancer, he also complete 57 five-star reviews, and he will charge $50 in basic, in standard $170, in premium $200. And this is also a very good profile. So you can do not copy these profiles, take an idea and make your own. So I think Fiverr part is over and let's get started towards the websites from where you can learn game development. So the first one is learn.unity.com. Unity.com is a studio for creating games, and this is the official website of Unity from where you can learn like Unity Essentials, Junior Programmer, Creative Core, Mobile AR development, VR development, and you can learn physics because we need physics in games, and you can learn about user interface of the game and AI and navigation, graphics and visual effects, scripting, editor essentials, 2D, mobile touch, XR, and many more things. So core tools and workflow, Unity Unit 1, player control, Unity control. These are the terms used for game development. And after that, you can also use live learning. They arrange sessions, and from where you can learn and get started with bite-sized tutorials. And these are the small tutorials you can also learn from here. So this is a good website to work on. So after that, the next website is Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is also a studio for creating games, and these are the basics. Understand the basics, work with content, building virtual worlds, designing, creating visual effects, programming and scripting. Make means these are the sections for game development, and you can complete them one by one. Let's open one of the, like, understanding the basics. And as you can see, functional knowledge, Unreal Editor interface. It is loading, wait for some seconds. And in this page, you can learn about the editor, Unreal Engine editor interface. And you can also search on YouTube, if you want to uh, learn from video tutorials. So this website is also a good website. After that, the last website, which is called gamedev.net, and in which you can also learn like Unity engine, 2D game. I click on Unity 3D. This is a game, and you can learn from here. This is basically a game development forum and website from where you can learn game development. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn from these skills. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.